Thank you for sharing.
Alright, we're starting.
It's just funny to me to see that. Because I'm the complete opposite.
Fair enough.
And I always just laugh at it because like, no, the fuck it's not.
God, I can't wait for Seekers of the Storm to come
Can't
out.
wait for my constipation to end.
Real.
Hmm. This is what I played with last time. I
Who are
guess.
you?
Huntress.
Huntress? Huntress is a good beginner. That or Commando.
Commando.
Commando's the first one.
I guess this is what I was last time.
And it looks like Jordan's Mercenary.
Oh yeah, always mercenary.
I'm always Bandit, so.
Just gonna stay in here.
Oh, this is the new stage.
Huh.
I haven't played Risk in a while.
Neither have I. Found Telly.
A lot of chests over here. Had a chance, tried. Fucking 1 coin away from being able to afford one of these shops.
It's always nice to see someone else that's from Utah. Just a very once in a blue moon type of feeling.
Dude, imagine finding someone from South Dakota. It's even rarer.
I matched with a girl on Tinder from South Dakota.
What?
I matched with a girl on Tinder from South Dakota.
Oh, nice. Oh, by the way, Rainbow, we have a mod on that if you ping an item with middle mouse button, it'll actually tell you what it does before you pick it up. So like if you got like an item shop, you can ping the item and it'll say what it does.
Yay.
So you can make a more informed choice if it matters to you. I got a lunar coin, nice.
Sweet.
I mean, we have the mod that lets you have unlimited lunar coins, but that's cool anyway.
Ow.
I have learned that this chest right here will always spawn in this exact spot. It will always be a large chest on this map. I have no idea why. I think it's the only chest in the entire game that's like that. So how's your guys' wow, Jesus Christ, I fumbled that sentence. How have your guys' days been?
Pretty chill.
Good.
Alright, I guess. It rained.
Is that a Utah fan?
Just just where I live, the rain will not come down
The chant shrine.
very
makes me-
often. So, but it actually like pours. It's pretty nice.
It's been raining like every other day. The past like month. Probably get Rainbow some items, huh?
Get out of my reef.
Yo, what up, Jordan?
Yo.
Fuck. The chant shrines hate me today.
Today?
Yes, and only today. Rainbow, you should get some items.
What? Ow.
Hi.
Hello.
Just here for you.
From me. Oh.
There's another chest over here.
How nice.
There's another chest. Just getting you looted up.
The Minecraft tutorial world on the 360 hits different.
Oh, there's a scrapper here if anyone wants one. Wants it. Good though.
The squid? It is.
Yeah, it's your squid pull yet item that you got.
It's my squid game.
It's basically just like a little mini turret for you.
I heard rumors that Squid Game was coming back.
Is it?
Supposedly they want to like make a season 2 or something. It's like, has that already been 3 years? Makes me cry.
Wah!
Exactly, dude. It's just time really does fly when you're eaten alive by guilt 24/7.
Jesus Christ, Rainbow, chill out, dude.
What? What's happening?
You guys ready for telly?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do-do-do-do-do. And then he walled it away, water.
Damn, bro, I'm already getting fucking.
Dude, I can't wait for the Seekers of the Storm DLC so bad. It can't come any sooner.
Flawless.
Everyone get their item.
Yoink.
Yoink.
Grab.
Marth moment.
Grab and acquire. Me satisfied.
me stomach. Oh, we
Me
spawned
hard
next
as a rock.
spawn next to a scrapper. Do you know what this is?
Wait,
Emma?
let me stand in his fire. Yeah, give me money.
Do you know what this
Okay.
machine is?
Machine.
It is a 3D printer. It will take a green item and spit out a green item at you. It'll take one at random from you, unless you use a scrapper. If you turn a scrapper into 3D scrap, if you scrap something, it'll turn into scrap. And that scrap will be prioritized at a printer. Like this one.
Nice.
That's the point of the scrapper anyway. So if you have an item you don't like, you can turn it into scrap to help you find a printer of the same color later. That has an item you want. And again, with the mod, you can ping the printers and see what the item is inside. The stage at Sunset looks really cool.
Ow.
Did you break your clankles?
A little bit. I didn't know where I was going.
I can heal you.
I have the what's it called? Drones.
Oh, you do.
I
see
found
that.
Telly.
Squid.
You can have the Bandolore that's right here. I just opened it, I don't need it. Bandit doesn't really benefit from it very much.
Nice.
Because with Bandit, I have a move that lets me instantly refill my skill
There's a
cooldowns.
scrapper on my ping over there.
So Bandolore is not that good on me. I'm gonna find Newt. See if I can spot the little bastard somewhere. Thanks for pointing out the scrapper. I need that. I would like that.
I was watching this video yesterday of like. So, have you guys seen Toy Story 2?
Yeah, I'm watching all Pixar
Yeah.
movies with Rex right now.
How nice. But you know, like
I found Newt.
when Woody meets Jesse and them for the first time,
Yeah.
and like they're watching all the old Woody Roundup stuff. Apparently, Pixar actually made all that merchandise real for a hot minute.
Oh, really? You in the show?
Not the show, but like all the merchandise that you
Oh.
saw in the movie
Huh.
when he's like seeing it for the first time. It was like real, but not officially real. I don't know. It's very.
That's kind of cool.
It's cool, but then I saw John Lasseter and had to turn the video off
Oh.
because John Lasseter.
John Lasseter fucking fascinates me, man. The guy has so much fucking talent, but at the same time, he's such a huge fucking degenerate. I don't understand.
he's like I don't know. I don't have an analogy for him. But what was it? He got a job at Blue Sky Hill, or
Blue Sky Studios.
yeah, and then it fucking did it shut down? Or was it still up?
We got technically that shut down, but it merged into Fox though. That's what happened.
So I was like, wow. Like, thank you, John. I mean,
Blue Sky's last movie was Spies in Disguise.
that's right.
The fucking pigeon movie.
The COVID one. It like came out right before COVID, didn't it?
So Blue
Or
Sky
I
also
think-
did do the Peanuts movie, and that was great.
Hello.
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 We're playing Risk.
Oh.
We're risking our lives.
Was correct.
We're
Did
risking
you
our
think
lives.
they weren't?
I was surprised that Rainbow was playing. Because literally the only one that Discord says is playing is Rainbow. So I'm just like, interesting. Also, nice song you were listening to, Jordan.
Huh?
Song.
Ah.
So,
Song.
He goes, ah. Hey, with the mod, you can join in.
hey, okay.
You can drop
Oh,
in.
so that's what you. I thought you were just like posting someone's fucking IP address and just like, huh?
He's doxing someone.
Yeah, I'm doxing you.
yeah. It
Oh,
literally just looks like what my fucking Minecraft's user ID would be.
Bro, I'm just dropping someone's docs in chat.
someone's
Yeah.
Hypixel name. Someone on Hypixel. Doxing the poor guy. Just like, yeah, go get him.
Me when I lose at Bed Wars.
I think we're ready for Telly.
That's a little extreme for Bed Wars. Doxing him.
Let's wait. Let's see it. Let's wait for Starry to fully get on. That way she can join us for the next stage.
Yeah.
Oi. Steam.
I don't
And
know.
with the mod, you'll
Yeah,
get like
she can
some.
join us for Void with no items.
No, with the mod, it'll give her some items to like catch up with us.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Update profile Blake.
I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to look at people when it comes to like John Lasseter or John Chris Faluski or whatever. John K.
Okay, to be fair, I think there's kind of a world of separation between John Lasseter and John K.
I know that, but like overall, I just can't really look at them, which sucks because they made
Right.
a lot of my childhood memories. Because I loved Ren and Stimpy as a kid, and I still do. I even have the DVD set.
In my opinion, John K is much worse than John Lasseter.
Well, no duh. John Lasseter like leered at them. John K literally went after them.
Yes. Ironically,
Literally
yes.
forced them.
Alright, I'm ready for Telly if you guys are. Teleporter.
But like it just kind of it's just sad for me because like what a waste of talent, dude.
I know.
What a waste, and also like a complete sabotage of my childhood memories.
Don't worry. In like 3 years, I'll come out as a pedophile. So my work.
Yo! No way you did that, bro.
My work can be invalidated too.
Actually, how about you guys continue doing your thing? I just remember that I have to do something, so I will be back.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright,
Where's
you
the other
guys just
stone type,
continue your
man?
thing. I will be back.
I think it's on the other side of the
in
wall.
like
I'll be back.
maybe, hopefully, like 10 minutes or so.
Okay, have fun.
Have fun.
Alright.
Never comes back. Where's the
It's on the other side
Where's
of
the
the wall.
fucking
You gotta
Attack
go.
on Titan?
You gotta go all the way around. Jordan,
Fucking dun 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 dun. Anyhow, give me something cheerful to talk about now that I just kind of
Disney
So,
Plus fulfilling the Southport prophecy. That's more lighthearted. Maybe not happy, but it's more lighthearted.
in a vacuum. Even then, I probably couldn't use the vacuum because I need fucking Disney Plus.
The new
for
portal's
it.
on this side of the wall, but yeah, I'll get it.
Disney
Oh.
said I can't use the vacuum because I need Disney Plus, or because I had a Disney Plus subscription.
Alright, I'm
So
going to the new.
Rainbow, get your item before you.
oh,
Unlucky.
Damn.
ooh,
Hey, who wants drugs?
me.
Me? You already know I want drugs.
I have to numb the pain now.
I feel like we should load Rainbow up on drugs.
Nah.
Force feed.
Wait, there's a bunch of infusions over here. Holy shit. Okay, I want drugs now.
Okay, just take all of them, I guess.
There was only 2. What's the red item?
It's
Dark
Aegis. Yeah, it's an Aegis.
Oddly shaped.
Which one is the fucking shit ass?
You want the Nautilus shell?
I want drugs.
Yeah, you want the Nautilus shell, which is the seashell and the fucking tonic. None of these. Oh, stop.
Where's the drugs?
Yeah, there's. It doesn't matter because it's a command essence anyway. There you go.
Okay.
And then I believe it's the top left one.
Yeah, just yard the drown.
Here's the other one over here.
Alright, cool, so I'm broken now.
Yeah, now Jordan's just perpetually on drugs.
I'm going down.
Okay. Go to void.
Something about this game reminds me of a different game, but I just can't remember what it was. Or
Risk of
is.
Rain 1?
No.
Maybe Risk of Rain 2.
Maybe in a past life I played it. What's at the bottom?
Ah, Risk of Rain 2. I remember when they first invented Risk of Rain 2. Sweet Risk of Rain 2. I always hated it.
I always hated Risk of Rain 2.
Oh, we got bells as our
I can't
as
do
our enemy.
anything about this. We're also on Insane, so this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, no, we're fine. Just keep moving, you'll be fine.
No, I'm good, yeah, I know, I'm good.
Also, you might want to get in the circle, Rainbow.
Yeah, you're
Just
taking
a-
damage
Just
when
just
you're
a,
not in the circle.
just a thought. And keep moving, otherwise the bell's gonna rock your world.
Yeah, the bells will fuck your shit up, especially because we're almost at impossible now. You died.
Just keep
If he
moving.
dies,
if
he
you
dies.
Keep, if you keep moving, the bells will miss. Just don't get whacked. Sweet.
Damn,
Fungus.
that sucked.
Fungus. Rainbow, get your item.
Oh my god, I'm going for it.
What? Oh. Interesting.
Okay.
Welcome,
back.
Starry. We are on Void right now. You're gonna have to wait a little while. We
Oh,
just
damn.
started Void.
Oh well. Oh well. Let's see if you guys survive Void first.
Hey, don't jinx us like that.
Oh, what difficulty are you guys playing on?
We are on Rainstorm and
Normal.
it's currently insane. Uh-oh.
Please don't die. Don't leave me to do this on my own again.
No, I'm here.
That's happened too many times.
Be glad I'm not fucking using glass or something. Also, you're on drugs.
I'm
you're fine.
surprised. Yeah. If we go back to new, I swear to God, Blake, if you get fucking glass.
Lefkanen. Oh, lol. Huh, it didn't even ask me to select my character.
Yeah, you type your character in. Did you see that text that popped on in the chat?
Ooh, okay. Now I am.
Ugh.
Join as... Let's see what we got.
Oh, they have go moves.
Okay. Join as...
I'm looking for hobo feathers, bro.
Oh. Hey guys, how's it going?
Oh, are you here? Oh shit, you are
Yeah.
here.
I am the here. Fuck. Okay, it's different. The fuck are these?
I'm focusing just on the bells right now. I trust you guys to get
I can
out
deal with
everything
the
else.
other guys that get too close, but I
Yeah.
can't do shit to bells.
That's why I'm focusing them down. I'm just keeping an eye out in the sky for him.
Are there any eye in the sky? Shooting at you. Okay, and it even gives the 4.
Yeah, you do got your own little collection of items.
Shit, I forgot how to play this character.
Oh, there's a scrapper here. Nice.
Ooh, I might need that. I might use that a lot,
It's
actually.
ready.
Let's see, do I have something disgusting that I don't want? Scheisse. Besides a loss of health.
Me and Rainbow were not at the event yet, so thanks.
Oh, my fault.
Just gotta heal up if I can. Oh shoot. Lesson one.
Fuck has shuriken.
Lesson one. Always keep moving.
That is me.
Oh, I was about to say.
Why?
I just saw shurikens and I got confused. Because I never remember picking them up. I got a fuckload of items. I'm
Ow.
gonna chill.
Bell just popped me right in the face.
Guys, I have 969 health.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Quadruple nice.
Nunk.
You think you can pick me
No.
up?
Nog.
You know how much I weigh?
Wait.
Over
yeah.
300.
Recently
Can you lift 300 pounds?
found out that my brother is more audible on my microphone for some reason. Why the fuck did I get launched all the way up here over this direction, guys?
I guess you're not throwing me to the moon then.
I love how Story doesn't have a name yet until next stage.
Oh my fucking
Oh, I don't.
god.
We just got this fucking
Oh.
stranger following us.
Oh, Jordan got a scorpion.
Oh.
God,
Ah.
my DPI is all over the place. Fuck.
I love fucking golems with the fucking goat nose, dude. They're so funny. They go so fast. They just waddle.
They have go hooves and fucking coffee, bro.
Oh,
What the
yeah.
hell?
Yeah,
That's
they
what-
can move. They're schmoving.
They got the whole movement. They got the whole movement shebang items.
Yeah.
Well, I was hoping they'd get like.
Jesus Christ, they're fucking schmoovin'.
I was hoping to get like fucking like energy drinks or something.
Hmm.
Energy drinks would be good. Hope of Feathers would also be really good.
They should
Oh,
get Hopeful
yeah.
Feathers as their next item.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
That would be funny, I think.
I think, perhaps. Mayhaps.
Yes!
Hey, Hopeful Feather, look at that.
Hey, would you look at that? That's great.
To finish this mission,
Hello.
someone else.
Oh, I finally
Oh,
got a
have
fucking
heals.
propulsion play.
Nice.
Oh, we're right down here.
So like,
You shall.
those boy juice. Oh, gotcha. I've never heard it called boy juice.
What am I doing? Focus on the bells. That's my fucking job.
You had one job. Where the fuck were you?
Oh, that's Starry's wall. I was super confused.
When
I was like, when did they get that?
Guys,
did they suddenly have Artificer abilities?
Well, I never played Artificer, so
Oh shit. Fine.
take another infusion.
Fusion, let's go.
never tell Gucci not to look at you because Gucci
It's
will just
rewired.
stare.
Someone can
It's
have that
just up,
item.
guys.
Oh,
Thank you.
help.
Ooh, cherry.
I heard some. Did I hear someone?
Can't
else
get up
or-
that.
Skip that one, right?
I have brain damage.
Yes.
Oh, don't activate it yet. Oh, okay. Let me in the bunkus pile. Okay, we're good.
Silence, the silence.
The buffaloing hungus.
I'm gonna be so
Oh shit. That was bad.
Oh my god, they're fast as fuck. Oh god.
Oh yeah, they got
Balls with
harvester
movement
starts.
items.
They get increased speed on critical hits. If they hit you, they schmoove.
Guys, I find this
Oh shit.
Who just got
I just
owned?
got owned.
Who just got owned by the fucking golem?
Oh, is Gucci playing My Little Pony again?
Up I go into the sky, and here I come back down at lightning speeds.
No?
I'm getting shot at where? Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Just survive. That's all you have to do.
I'm good.
Reached
Alright,
our
we're good.
defenses.
I don't think Gucci answered it.
Another homo feather. Oh!
Hobo feather! Fuck.
Yeah?
You guys are slow, bro. Holy shit.
I was waiting for them. I was waiting up like a good teammate. Motherfucker.
ATG missiles, fuck.
Uh-oh.
I've put up
Oh,
a
fuck.
ow.
They have missiles.
Bells hurt.
Lucky for
Please
us,
fix.
this spot is one of the easier ones to defend. Because they have to walk all the way up to
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
And by that point, we're already done.
But then again, they also have the movement items, so...
Yeah. Fuck. But I have wall capabilities. Ah, shit.
I'm just looking out for bells. That's all I'm doing. Ow, got sniped.
There's like one at Just 'cause it takes me that long, it seems-
Another hobo feather, yes!
Alright, one more, guys.
Yep.
Last one.
That's what
Piece of cake.
Don't be a fucking.
Ew, don't grab that.
Ooh, I love
there's a lunar
bleed for
point.
Artificer.
Where are you going? Please do not
You
be a
know,
Tesla coil.
It would be so.
Oh, word, we might be cooked here. Oh, we might be cooked here.
Just
For
kill
real,
them
we
as
might
soon
be
as they
cooked here.
spawn. Just kill them. Do not let them live for 10 seconds, otherwise we're fucked.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Yep.
Ow.
Hey, hey
Oh,
Jordan.
fuck.
We got
That
unlucky.
that was definitely not fault.
Oh,
We got
No,
so
we're fucked.
unlucky. We got so. Literally, that's the
Hey,
one Randy.
I fucked the game. I fucked the game, guys. I
that's
died
unfortunate.
twice.
Sad.
Literally, that's the one red item that will instantly kill us, basically.
Yeah.
It's a fucking Tesla coil. That sucks.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. You guys want to do another one or not?
I have no say.
You have no say. You no say.
Mhm.
No low say.
No say.
Saying too hard.
Alright, let's play something else.
All right.
Alright.
That's fun though.
If
It is fun.
I